Welcome back to Panama City. Today I bring you to the Avenida Central Peatonal, which is a bustling local street known for its affordable prices. Today I show you the cost of normal street food items, products, and many more. This is not the typical part of Panama City you might be thinking of when seeing the pictures. It's a bit more rough around the edges. And it's not the safest part of the city, but if you are budget conscious, this is the place to find the great bargains. Stick around until the end to find out if Eric from Generic Expats is an expert negotiator or not.
I've spent the past year and a half driving my motorcycle through Latin America, living in each country for a minimum of 6 weeks. This has been one of the most difficult projects I've ever embarked upon, and I really hope you enjoy all this content coming at you now. Welcome back to Generic Expats. It is Friday, February 15th, I believe. Yes, yesterday was yesterday? No, 2 days ago. So the 16th. It was Valentine's Day 2 days ago, and now I am in the central part of Panama City, bringing you to what is the walking street. This area is a little rough, as you can tell around me. It's not the nicest spot. This is where I parked my motorcycle. Fingers crossed she'll be there when I come back. Now, there's a lot of cool graffiti on the walls, and I wanted to show you today the walking street, what is supposed to be one of the best places to do shopping. If you want to do some low-cost shopping, this is where you find the massive deals. It's about 3:30 on a Friday, so my thought was that everything would be open in general. So we have El Campeón, Mejor Opción, their best option. Looks like there's a lot of Chinese influenced shops here with like some plastic related this and that. So yeah, today we're gonna walk through the walking street area, take a peek. It actually is very similar to the walking street that I saw in Costa Rica and San Jose. San Jose had a big walking area like this. Lots of shops, lots of music. There's Mobile, which is not available in Costa Rica. I'm actually using Mobile right now, and it's not bad, pretty good. I can't seem to figure out how to get the monthly plan yet, but here we have another example of how the food is in Panama. It's very accessible to that. The local like Chinese Panamanian food for their specials is $3. So the money here has the B symbol on it, which actually means Balboa. Now Balboa is kind of a famous guy in the history of the Panamanian story, and yeah, so he's on all of the local currency that isn't the dollars. The Panama government uses the dollars and the Balboa. So the Balboa coins are worth $1, and there's also smaller Balboa coins, as well as they use the actual US dollars. So here we have some good spots to buy fresh produce, little bags of it. Definitely seems like the place to do it. Again, we're seeing a lot of the Yapi, which is the application you can pay with your phone app. ¿Cuánto cuesta el coco, tipa? 1.50. Va. Tipa. Y le saco el coco. That's $2 for the full pineapple with the juice, and then if he cuts it, it's $2 to cut it open and get the meat out. Looks like we have an area with a walking street crossing the main traffic here in the city. So it's definitely a slightly rougher looking walking street comparing it to Costa Rica. Their central walking street in San Jose is a bit more organized, but not the massive amounts of fruits and vegetables. I'm like seeing this right here, all these papayas and vegetables and whatnot. I have papaya. ¿Cuánto cuesta la papaya? Luego, papaya. 2 balboas. $2 no, dos balboas.
Yes.
Okay, $2. Gracias, amigo. We have some hats. I need to buy myself some more hats. Wonder, señorita, la gorrita, ¿cuánto está? $8. Ah, gracias. $8 for that little baseball hat. Maybe I'll come back and try and negotiate a lower price. Sun's not a problem here. I took the glasses off. City Moda. Seems like there's a shopping area. I'm not sure if this is all shopping stands, but in the middle there we have lots of shops as well. Oh, looks like there's some glasses. Maybe I'll ask about these sunglasses. I actually do need sunglasses. I've been using this pair of sunglasses basically every day for weeks. My other pairs, I'd lost them and they broke. However, these look like they're probably for women. Yeah. I wonder if there's one for men. I'm not seeing any for men. Okay, well, that's okay. Lentes. Looks like we have $2, $3 and $4 and $5 shades. And that's the price I want to pay, but these are not the styles. I'm going to find myself a masculine sunglasses area, which I'm not seeing yet. El costo, the cost. It's like a big supermarket right there. Got some police here in the middle. Their motorcycle. Chilling. Domino's. $10. Looks like $10 for an 8-slice pizza, which is what? Probably a large. Good price for a large. Sol de la India. Rugs and all this other stuff. Ice cream cone for $1. Here we have some plantains. Bags of produce absolutely everywhere. This seems to be kind of a trend here with the homelessness. Seems to be a big issue here in the city. Quite a bit more than you'd see in San Jose, Costa Rica. Here we have some local pizza, pizza mediana, pizza delicioso caliente. $7 for a medium-sized pizza for $7. It's pretty good. Gold shops, police, bicycle police around here, asking for IDs. We have some glasses, but again, looks like mostly female. Too bad. Here's a jewelry shop. These are all in dollars, balboas, same thing. Watches for 30. Some rings for 8. Watches. So people are getting pretty heated over here, so I had to get out of the way. It's like there's some like residential areas on top of these, a lot of these stores. Fabric shop, Tela. In English as well, nice. Yeah, that guy was pretty drunk. Super 3 p.m. wasted. And they have Mercadito, Mejor, Solar. I am seeing some glasses in here. That could be an option for me. $1 glasses. They're really shiny, but I need something to replace mine. Super shiny. Shiny ones. almost impossible to liquor. It's an option. That is an option. There we have some jerseys and people selling stuff. Masks, hats. Little hats here. Baseball style hats. Sportswear. Ritmo de la moda. Rhythm of fashion. There's a mini supermarket. Looks like it's owned by a Chinese family there. I see the Chinese in the front at the cash register. Here we've got a bunch of vegetables. $1 for a pound of tomatoes. Great price there, right? $2 per kilo. And these are all in pounds. Interesting. Oranges here. Looks like there's an area with some food. I'm liking the name here. It's called Christ Comes, and it's a food shop. I can't tell what the actual price is, but this is going to be probably just a standard place to eat your lunch. Got fried chicken. Buenas tardes. ¿Cuánto cuesta el almuerzo? ¿El almuerzo? Okay. 250 and 3, huh? I got soup. Just the standard type of meat options. Some chicken and sauce. Spaghetti. Yeah. It looked like there was a salad. So here we go. There's another option for people looking for budget food. If you're in the central part of Panama City, that is an area that will have the $2.50 lunches. Actually, it's a small portion, so it's not like a full portion, but it is an option for having some local food for not super expensive. Wicked cheap, really. $2.50 and 3. $2.50 and 3. Looks like we have plantains here, big fat plantains on the ground. Some more glasses. And if I'm not mistaken, this is probably where it ends here. Some interesting, sketchy looking valleys, or alleys, I should say. Alleys. Here we have another spot with fresh fruit. 4 apples for $1, 25 cents a piece. The green ones for 33 cents. Kiwis, 25 cents a piece. A bunch of grapes for $1. Yeah. I don't think I've seen prices this low since I was back in Nicaragua. Those are really affordable options for fruit and vegetables so far. Look at all these things right here. Great prices. They look like good quality. Nice. This seems to be the end of the walking street area because it kind of like slowly transforms into the actual road. If I can find some glasses for men, I'll try those. ¿Cuánto están los lentes, amigo?
Hasta que haya 4, papá. Pura calidad.
Pura calidad.
Sí, señor.
Este, por ejemplo.
Hasta que dolita.
4 dices.
Hasta que dolita.
Okay, with my super negotiation skills, I think I got 2 pairs of glasses here. These look pretty fresh for $5. And so let's go confirm it. Señorito, aquí está, pero.
Pues dale, papá. Hey, blessing.
Blessing. Bendecido, gracias. Here it was. These 2 right here. He wanted $4 for each one, and then he said 3, and I'm like, how about $5 for 2 of them? And he said, let's dale papi. So we got 2 pairs of sunglasses. Finally, I'm ready to rock out without any issue from the sun now for the next couple weeks, if not a month. Who knows? Now I got triple shades. Put it right here. As I mentioned, this is the end of the walking street area. I'm looking fresh with my 3 pairs of shades right now. Super cool. Here, Central Avenue of Panama City downtown. Here we have a statue overlooking a small part of the Panama City skyline. Colorín de Panama. 5th of May. 5th of May. Looks like there's some remodeling being done on this building as well. So I got this discount using my super charm and telling him that where I'm staying right now is not a very common area of the city. And he's like, wait, where are you staying? I'm like, where are you staying? He's like, I'm living here. I'm like, dude, you and I are neighbors. He's like, all right, big discount for you. So that's just what happens when you got some cool places to stay at. You're living like a boss. Ooh, it's getting windy. We have some herbs right here. I do like picking up herbs, but I wouldn't use them that much, really. Just for tea, occasionally. Looks like we have a casino right here. Photo pops. All right, guys, that's the end of my Central Avenue walking tour here in Panama City, capital of Panama. And that's going to be just a little look of what you can find here in the local streets, as opposed to going to the super gringo-tized tourist areas. And if you're enjoying some of these walk-arounds, this info I'm giving you, my perspective and my little investigational videos, hit that subscribe, that like button. Make sure to share some comments about what you think about Panama, if it's going to be on your short list of places to retire to. If you're thinking of retiring or moving abroad or living in Latin America, this could be on the top of your list. I think it's top 5 so far. So, guys, hasta la próxima.